Hello everyone, this is Busy Izzy here, and I'm going to show you something that I wish I had gotten years ago, back when I first started online marketing, email marketing. It basically does everything that Aweber and GetResponse can do, but it's just so much cheaper, just a one-time fee instead of a monthly fees like those other two. You have everything from campaigns are available here, just like those other ones, Aweber and GetResponse. Automations, so you can pre-schedule a campaign, set it up, and send it ahead of time. Just set it and forget it. Your lists, you can manage them, delete or add users, subscribers, and even templates where you can design emails whichever way you want. They have many templates that you can choose from. Now, don't get me wrong, Aweber and GetResponse are awesome, but they can add up. They can be expensive. Monthly fees, they at least for me, they have added on to hundreds of dollars. Here, none of that. Just a one-time fee when you sign up. And if you do that through me, you get my bonuses. But first, let's discuss these upsells. There's a front end, just $17. Upsell number one, Profitmail Pro, 36. Enterprise, another 36. Reseller, as you can resell it as if you were the one who developed it for $46. And I am max at $29. But it's really awesome. It's really worth it because you get my bonuses, my exclusive bonuses, including the bonus tutorial, which shows you how to get insanely good open rates, just as well good as Aweber or GetResponse, how to get amazing click rates, and an extra bonus hack, which includes over 40 high-quality lead magnets to build your list, and how to build your list faster than normal. The best traffic source for list building, and over 2,500 email swipes. That's on top of the ones that you would normally have. That's from the developer. And all, of course, all vendor bonuses. And that's not even counting my exclusive bonuses, which include over-the-shoulder step-by-step tutorial for Enigma, Octane, Invisible, and others. My super affiliate Rolodex arsenal for 2020, how to become a super affiliate in 2020 and beyond, how you can make an extra $500 a week with nothing but free tools, my $1,000 in 2 days case study, and follow the steps, step by step, simple. And finally, how I made $500 commissions in just 7 days using one free traffic source. All of these are available exclusively through me, and I assure you they're worth it. So don't hesitate. I did, and I wish I hadn't. I wish this had been around when I first started. Thank you for taking a look. Have a nice day.